Hi guys, as well. So just jumping on today to discuss double handling and how it's affecting your business. So first of all, what is double handling? So double handling, to give you an example, in a healthcare business is where someone comes into your treatment room and you ask them for their date of birth and to sign a consent form after they've already given it to your admin on the phone maybe 2 days before. And then when you're looking to send them their exercises later that after the treatment, you ask them for their email address again. So there's three cases where your client has come in and you've asked them for their email address maybe separately 3 times. And as a healthcare business owner, one of the things we need to try and do is to reduce that amount of double handling we're doing with the data we receive in a safe manner and with all the guidelines regarding GDPR and stuff like that. So if we take that example of when your clients are coming in to see you, a good example is they start off and they go, right, I want to make an appointment. So they ring and they ask for their name, date of birth, email, what's wrong with them, and their phone number. So you've got 5 key pieces of information there. If you have a good system, for instance, Clinico, all that information is on the system. From that, they can get an automatic email to say, here's a consent form, they sign the consent form, and from there, everything is done. So the practitioner then has the information to hand. They're not asking them for more information when they come in, and it just runs a lot smoother. Again, following the treatment then, the practitioner may decide to send the patient exercises or an invoice. All that's integrated within Clinico or within whatever system you're using. And from there, then it's sent out or it's integrated with the likes of PhysiTrack, which again integrates with Clinico. And from there, you can send your exercises and the patient gets all this information without having to give you any more. It just makes the process so much easier, so smoother. Again, if we look then at the likes of MailChimp, so or your CRM system. So talking about CRM, what is that? It's where you can communicate with your clients on a regular basis. If you want to send your clients a newsletter, do you have to take the information from whatever software you have, manually put it in? Again, going back to a Clinico, it links with MailChimp. So as soon as that client's email gets into your system, if they consent to it, that automatically goes to MailChimp, which is fantastic because now when you're sending your newsletters on a monthly basis or weekly basis, or if you have a seminar coming up or whatever you have coming up, that information is already in there. So you don't need to look for it again. And they automatically come onto your mailing list and they'll get the regular updates about your clinic. From there, then, if we look and go, right, what happens with your accounts? Are you manually looking at your bank statement, exporting it to an Excel spreadsheet, from the Excel spreadsheet, sending that email to your accountant for them to upload it to their software, and then they send it back to you for review? It's just so much work and so much time. And with the likes of accountants or other professional services that you're using, the easier you can make it for them, the less time they spend on it, the cheaper it's going to be for you. So a little bit of an investment. For instance, we use Xero that integrates with our software. From there, we can send any our banks upload automatically to Xero, so they don't need to be manually taken down, manually uploaded. And it's the same with all the software from Clinico. So all our sales are going into the software, all our expenses are going into our software. Our accountant has access to them. They see, right, okay, you've done X, Y, and Z this month. Here's your expenses, here's your sales, right? Reconcile it, great. Everyone knows where they're at on an instant level, rather than waiting for the end of the year to go, shit, what's my tax report going to be? What's my liabilities going to be? So having good integrated systems, knowing and understand how to use them, are 2 key aspects of making your life and your business run much more efficiently. And your staff will thank you for it, and your clients will thank you for it, because they're going to get better service. The staff aren't going to have not much work to do because it's going to be a more integrated system, and they're going to spend more time with your clients coming in. I hope that helps. I hope it explains the double handling. If you have any questions on it or you want to leave a comment below, feel free. Otherwise, have a great day. And as always, Colin at practicenav.ie. Thanks for watching. Cheers.